do you think you are?
Who do you think you are? An angel or God around peasants? Do we all need to bow in your presence? Are you a present sent down from cloud heavens? Should we all beg to be drowned in your essence? Should we attend all 7 one-hour sessions to better ourselves, learning all your profound lessons? Believe all of your words without questions, as if we should worship whatever your mouth reckons? But being around beggars somehow threatens your proud lifestyle, so now you tout weapons. Behave like you're serving a sentence around felons who make lemonade while you frown about lemons. You're the clown wearing the crown in your circus, more blind faith in yourself than all churches. Your core purpose fill into your purses with all surplus living things at your service.
Who do you think you are?
You play royalty in your pantomime.
What do you think you are?
More than one grain in the sands of time.
Where do you think you are?
The Shangri-La where you are is all fallacy.
When do you think you are?
Gonna see that you're only a speck in a whole galaxy. How exactly could you become so vain? Baffle the brain, how you stay in that domain. Going insane, you travel your own lane. Less likely to change your track than an old train with a cold flame. You're a thief with no shame. Your main goal's accumulating the whole game. Your life's cause is fighting for high scores, with a sword behind from riding a high horse. Every meal gotta be minimum 5 course. Sipping the finest wine, sitting beside lords. If the rich was shit, you're a fly of sorts, cause you hover around money like one of McFly's boards. Apply force till you're on the up and up. You'd uppercut a little kid over a chopper-chop. Only friendly with those who have a dollar, the rest are collateral damage. Cat and fodder.
Who do you think you are?
You play royalty in your pantomime.
What do you think you are?
More than one grain in the sands of time.
Where do you think you are?
The Shangri-La where you are is all fallacy.
When do you think you are?
Gonna see that you're only a speck in a whole galaxy.
Who do you think you are? 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 Who do you think you are?
Your worldview's been skewed so royally, you assume you must be true royalty. Spoiled to the point you expect it all for free, as if you were born to rule like O'Doyle be. Purely the concept of royalty boils me, but lives on annoyingly. All their greed over money and soil leaves me ready to cut them in half like post-coital D. Except for a thriving few, daily life is purely something they're surviving through. You expect a high life with a finer view, and for others to be on standby, dying to provide for you. Forming a line on cue, hoping to supply you with what you think you're entitled to. Your mind has a realignment due, which is my cue to inquire into.
Who do you think you are?
You play royalty in your pantomime.
What do you think you are?
More than one grain in the sands of time.
Where do you think you are?
The Shangri-La where you are is all fallacy.
When do you think you are?
Gonna see that you're only a speck in a whole galaxy.
Who do you think you are?
You play royalty in your pantomime.
What do you think you are?
More than one grain in the sands of time.
Where do you think you are?
The Shangri-La where you are is all fallacy.
When do